Stop! Stop scrolling right now. I need your eyes right here for 60 seconds. Do you realize what you're doing? Every time you flick your thumb, you are trading your life for a hit of dopamine. You are giving your most valuable asset, your time, to someone else's bank account for free, 0.10 to 0.25. It is 2026. Look around. The world is moving at light speed, and if you aren't building something, you are being built over. While you're watching people live their dreams, they are getting paid because you are watching. You are the consumer. You are the product. Isn't it time you became the owner? 0.25 to 0.40. If you are between 17 and 30, you are standing on a gold mine. Your phone is not a toy. It is a global headquarters. It's a tool that can make you more money than a 9-to-5 ever could, but only if you stop using it to escape your life and start using it to design your life. 0.40 to 0.55. I'm done watching you waste your potential. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop being a digital slave and start being a digital creator. I'm going to show you the legal, proven path to wealth in this new economy. No more excuses. No more tomorrow, 0.55 to 1 o'clock. Put your distractions away. Focus, because your 2026 transformation starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Did you own the screen, or did the screen own you? While you were scrolling through someone else's vacation, someone else's car, and someone else's success, they were getting paid for your attention. You are the product. You are the fuel for their fire. If you are between 17 and 30, you are in the golden window. This is the only time in your life where your energy is at its peak and your risk is at its lowest. But you're wasting it. You think you have time? You don't. The digital divide is widening. By the end of this year, there will be two types of people. Those who use social media to build wealth, and those who use it to escape their poverty. Which one are you? Part 2. The logic of the 2026 economy. Why social media? Because attention is the new gold. In 1920, you needed a factory to be rich. In 1990, you needed a degree and a corporate ladder. In 2026, you need a brand. Whether it's LinkedIn, X, YouTube, or the next big platform, these are not apps. They are global markets. When you post a video or share a skill, you aren't just posting. You are opening a shop that stays open 24/7, reaching 5 billion people while you sleep. Money follows attention. If you can grab attention and provide value, the money is a mathematical certainty. It is legal, it is ethical, and it is the most honest way to get rich because you only succeed if people find value in what you do. Part 3. The success story. The power of 1 year. Let me tell you about a guy named Leo. In January 2024, Leo was 19. He was broke, failing his classes, and spent 8 hours a day on Reels. He felt invisible. One day, he made a choice. He didn't quit social media. He changed his role. He started documenting his journey of learning a single skill. Let's say AI-driven design. He was terrible at first. People laughed. His friends told him to get real, but Leo understood the law of compounding. He posted every day. By mid-2025, his small page had 50,000 followers. Brands started calling. He wasn't just influencing, he was solving problems. Today, in 2026, Leo isn't looking for a job. He is the job. He supports his parents. He travels, not because he got lucky, but because he stopped being a consumer and became a creator. Part 4. The blueprint. Study, work, earn. Practical, coaching, tough love. You want the money? Then you need the merit. You cannot build a 30-minute empire on a 30-second attention span. 1. The study phase. You must become a student again. Not the kind that sits in a dusty classroom, but a digital scholar. Read the books that others find boring. Study the algorithms. Study psychology. If you want to be a successful person, you have to feed your brain better content than what's on the For You page. 2. The work phase. Deep work. You need to put in 4 hours of focused, undistracted work on your personal brand every single day. No notifications, no music, just you and the craft. Hard work is the price of admission to the elite club. 3. The money phase. When you have a skill and an audience, money becomes a byproduct. People will pay you for your knowledge, your service, or your products. Remember, when you have money, you have options. When you have options, you have freedom. Part 5. The why. Family legacy. Do it for the people who believe in you. Better yet, do it for the people who don't believe in you. Imagine it's December 2026. You're sitting at dinner with your family. You reach for the bill, and for the first time, you don't look at the price. You look at your mother and tell her she can finally retire. You look at your younger brother and tell him you've already paid for his tuition. That feeling? That is better than any viral dance or any hit of dopamine from a like. Success is not about the ego, it's about the responsibility. If you don't make something of yourself today, you are failing the person you are meant to become tomorrow. Part 6. The Call to Action. Today is January 6th. The year is fresh. The world is waiting. Don't wait for the right time. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Open that account. Record that first video. Write that first post. Be cringe. Be bad. But be active. The world belongs to the creators. Stand up. Start working, and let 2026 be the year they stopped calling you a dreamer and started calling you a legend. Go get it. Tips for your video production. Visuals. Use high-contrast B-roll, luxury cars, busy cityscapes, people working late at night, and close-ups of eyes staring at screens. Don't move a muscle. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking this is just another motivational video. You're wrong. Most people will scroll past this and remain broke in 2026. But you stayed. That means your subconscious is screaming for a way out. In the next,
I am going to reveal a truth so uncomfortable that most people can't handle it. I'm going to show you how the matrix of social media is designed to keep you poor, and exactly how to break the glass. 2. The suspense story. The legend of the black folder, 2 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Let me tell you a story that sounds like a movie, but it's happening right now. There was a man named Zane. 5 years ago, he was exactly where you are, working a job he hated, living in a room he was tired of seeing. One day, he met a mentor who didn't give him money. Instead, the mentor gave him a black folder. Inside, there were no lottery tickets. There were 3 names and 1 instruction. Study these people, learn their character, and master their silence. Zane vanished. His friends thought he failed. His family thought he was lazy. But inside that room, Zane was building a digital ghost empire. He wasn't scrolling, he was coding his future. While everyone was out celebrating New Year's Eve, Zane was staring at a screen until his eyes burned. The twist? 3 years later, Zane walked into the same cafe where he used to work as a waiter. He didn't come to eat, he came to buy the building. The people who mocked him were still there, still complaining about the same bad luck. The difference? Zane understood that the world doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you work for in the dark. 3. The reality check. The golden cage example, 12 o'clock to 2000. Think about this. You spend 8 hours a day building someone else's dream. Your job. Then you spend 4 hours a day watching someone else's life. Social media. That's 12 hours a day where you don't exist in your own life. Imagine a lion in a cage. The cage is made of gold. They give the lion free food and a TV to watch other lions in the wild. The lion feels safe, but he is a slave. Social media is your golden cage. Every like you get is a piece of meat to keep you quiet while the platform owners get rich off your data. In 2026, the only way to be free is to stop watching the lions and start being one. 4. The foundation. Character, respect, and akhlaq. 2028-00. But here is the secret most rich people won't tell you. If you get the money but lose your soul, you have lost the game. I know men with millions in the bank who are the loneliest people on earth because they have no character. They treated people like stepping stones. Listen to me. Respect the humble. The way you treat a janitor says more about your success than your watch does. The parent shield. Your first million belongs to the woman who gave you life and the man who broke his back to feed you. If you aren't helping your family, your wealth is a lie. Humility. The higher you climb, the lower you should bow. In the 2026 economy, people buy from people they trust. If you have no character, your business will die. If you have no respect, your fame will fade. Build a heart of gold before you build a house of gold. 5. The deep study phase.
You want the money? Then pay the price in deep study. Stop watching 15-second clips and start reading 500-page books. Master the high-income skills: psychology, sales, digital infrastructure, and AI. Work until your signature becomes an autograph. Work until your idols become your rivals. Show your support by liking this video. It costs you nothing, but it helps us reach more people who need to hear this truth. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a blueprint. Let's win together.